Hey everyone, my name's Colton Bradley. I'm the corporate product trainer for Karl Auto Group, and welcome to Tips and Tricks, where we're going to be giving you insight on options, features, and technology on the newest vehicles at our dealerships. On today's episode, we're going to be talking with you about remote start, and remote start might look a little bit different depending on what vehicle that you're driving, but today we're going to be talking about the Silverado 1500. When you're ready to activate the vehicle, if you're using your key fob, you're going to simply look for the remote start icon and you're going to press that twice. Or if you're using the My GM application, you're going to press and hold the start button. Once you've done either of those, you're going to notice the lights are going to flash on the front end of your truck. You will then have two 15-minute run cycles before you have to get in and start your vehicle. So now that you know how it works, we're going to go ahead and test it out. That's going to wrap up today's episode of Tips and Tricks. If you've got any questions about how this is going to apply to your vehicle, feel free to stop on out to one of our Karl Auto Group locations.